Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Boy, do we got some drama for you in this video. Right here, we got my dad's truck. This is our work truck, and it's hooked up to a trailer with a car on it. Right now, we're at our auto body shop, my dad's shop. We were planning on bringing this home, but something happened. So what happened, Dad?
Well, I was driving home last night and going up a long hill, and suddenly there was a bang, and the truck started bunny hopping, and the whole front end was just totally not happy.
Yeah, right. And something happened in the front, like something crazy.
So I had to limp it back home doing like 30 kilometers an hour.
That sounds bad. Oh man.
Back to the shop, and
luckily it didn't happen too far from the shop.
yeah,
right?
by the time I got here, it was not happy. It was doing lots of banging and clanging. And
oh man.
I'm pretty happy I made it back.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna have to do a bit of work on this truck today, but first we have to unhook the trailer and get this truck in the shop, right?
Yeah, so that's the first start.
Let's do that. Well, while my dad takes this off, I'm going to talk about the truck, because this truck has clearly been through a lot. It's starting to rust really bad over the wheel well. But as we were bringing it over here, I actually saw that the drive shaft, it looks like the drive shaft might have something going on there. Something happened in the drive shaft. It's making the drive shaft basically hit the cross member for the tranny. So also previously we've had a deer hit, that's why the headlight and the fender's all kinked. This truck's definitely been through a bit, and the front diff has been seizing up on us before, so that's why we suspected it blew up. But now I'm thinking it might actually be something to do with that drive shaft. I don't know. We'll have to see, Dad.
Yeah, we have to take a look, because I always understood that the hubs are unlocked. I know they're tight, but why the drive shaft is turning in the first place?
I know. It's not in four-wheel drive, so it should not be engaging.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. We'll have to figure that out.
Well, let's get in the shop and take a look underneath.
Okay, sounds good. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Sounds like gunshots are going off. Yeah, something's not right. Not making any weird noises or anything. Oh, now it is. Oh man. I don't like that noise.
Oh yeah.
What in the world?
The U-joint completely blown out.
Wow. What? Why did that?
That's all it is. It's that double double U-joint
That's
stuff.
into the transfer case, right? I mean the differential in the front, which is this piece here that holds all the gears, that still seems like it's fine.
Oh, just the U-joint is gone.
Yeah, the U-joint exploded.
It's like it's been like that for a while. But
oh, and it finally gave out all the way?
yeah, it looks like it's not just a U-joint. I think we're gonna have to replace the whole shaft, because it's a double acting fit. There's a name for it. Carmen joint, or a Harman Kardon joint, or
Harman Kardon, that's a stereo system.
I have no idea. I just read that somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Still kind of weird though that it
well, it's a good thing that
it's turning.
Yeah, well, that's the other thing.
Because the hubs should be turned off.
Yeah, these Fords have the twist hubs for locking the four-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's manual hubs on this thing.
Yeah, and we've had the issue with it sticking all the time before. There's no power actually getting through it, but the wheels are turning all the gears inside and stuff, which should not be happening.
Should not be happening. They should be disconnected in the hubs. That's a whole different issue.
I know. Well, that's why we suspected the front diff exploded, because it was...
We were suspicious of that.
Look at all the oil leaking over there too.
Yeah, I got a bit of a leak. Looks like it's coming from...
No, I wasn't talking about that leak. That looks pretty bad. I was talking about the diff leak.
Oh yeah, this is kind of weird. Yeah, that just started.
Yeah.
That never was leaking that bad before.
No.
Almost time to retire this old girl.
No kidding.
Well, we've had this thing for, I think this is a rebuilder, insurance write-off from almost 20 years ago.
Oh, wow.
But it's got the 6 liter.
Yeah, the infamous 6 liter.
The 6 liter, as some people call it.
The 6 liter?
But this motor has been deleted. The motor runs flawlessly. So
yeah, it's just the drivetrain that's falling apart, and now the
body is falling apart.
Yeah, but this is the only truck we have right now for hauling, so we got to try to do a quick fix on it.
Yeah, let's pull the shaft out and see if I do have a wreck in the backyard.
Right.
And see if that drive shaft is the same.
Okay, if that's all it is, then that'll be a quick fix.
We could be up and running in a couple hours.
Yeah, well, let's do that. All right, we got a bit of change of plans, guys. We're
3 tries.
3 tries with the nut, welding it on, did not work. We're resorting to just hacking the whole thing off now. There we go. Well, there you have it, guys. We got the drive shaft out. Man, is it looking loose.
Well, that's from driving it home and just pounded it out, eh?
Oh, yeah. Well, you can see that it's missing the actual bearing on the side.
Yeah, the old bearing's gone.
Everything's gone. Everything flew out. That's definitely what was causing the noise.
Well, that would be pretty noisy.
Yeah.
Oh,
still,
no way.
What?
They're locked in.
Oh, they were locked? You just had them locked the whole time.
I thought it for sure. I must have locked it in for some reason at one point.
Probably last winter.
No, I think I was stuck in the mud somewhere.
Oh, really?
And spinning.
So you just forgot to leave them on?
Yeah.
Turn them off, I mean?
Unlock them, yeah. You turn left. Now it's unlocked.
Bruh.
It's just that it's tight, so you can't even do it with your fingers.
Yeah, you can't do it by hand. That means that now the tires are totally disconnected from any of the gears in the front differential, which is this part right there. And that means that tires should be rolling freely, right?
Yeah.
Because before it definitely wasn't. And that's why that drive shaft was spinning, which never should have been spinning. And then it just, I mean, it was worn out anyway, so it never should have happened, but it just blew up. My dad has an actual wrecking yard back here, kind of a personal use wrecking yard with like 300 cars, right?
Yeah, it's our wonderland.
A nice wonderland, nice car collection. But anyway, over here, we got another F350 here, even though it says GMC on the front. Ignore that, it's still a Ford. I think it's got a blown motor or something, right?
7.3.
Oh, it's a 7.3?
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's blown.
Oh, wow, okay. Huh, but it should have all the drivetrain stuff underneath, so take a look to see if we got a drive shaft in there. Nice.
Well, there's your problem.
Oh?
It's got a Wix oil filter on it.
A Wix? What? That's why it blew up.
No, those are actually pretty good.
Oh, okay. Well, it's got a drive shaft?
The drive shaft is here and it's solid.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Nice and solid, yeah.
Huh.
Truck's actually in really good shape under here. Okay, let's see what we can do about getting them out.
It's like what?
Robbery.
Like a robbery?
Yeah, we're just stealing this thing. It's so easy.
Oh, I see. Well, that's good, I guess.
Like stealing candy from an old lady.
Oh, from an old lady? I don't think that's the saying.
No?
longer.
Year difference.
The 7.3 has a different length drive shaft.
This one's 25.
Yeah.
And this one is 24.
All right, guys, we got another drive shaft here. This is number 3. This one, as you see, is a little bit more rusty. It's a bit of a scale on it, but it is the right length. We measured it. It's out of the exact same truck as this one, but it is a little bit tighter. These joints are kind of getting old. They're kind of getting a bit seized or something.
Mostly probably from sitting around, because that truck has been sitting around for a couple of years.
That's true. And some of these joints we can grease up, like these ones here, but some are like totally encased in it. These original drive shafts were never greasable. But what's weird is the original one out of your truck is actually greasable, which is really strange. It's got a grease nipple here, it's got a grease nipple there. Basically every joint was actually greasable, which is really cool. So this is obviously an aftermarket one. They must have changed at one point.
Which didn't help, right? Because it blew up.
Apparently not, or we never greased it. Either way, it did blew up. It blew up. It did blow up. Yeah, grammar. So we're gonna try probably do that other one, right?
Yeah, this one will fit. It's right length.
It's just a little bit more tight, but I think for now it'll be fine. If we could get a couple more years out of this truck anyway, I think that'll be good enough. And then we can finally get this truck mobile again. So let's get to it.
Check this out here, right here.
Oh man. Yeah, that's a little loose. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh man. Clearly got a leak going on here. So we got the drain plug there. We're gonna see if we can put a bit more oil in there for now, just to top it up, right? Instead of fixing it, we're just gonna try to keep it going.
No dust coming out.
No tumbleweeds coming out.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, what? It's right full.
It's down just a bit.
Well, there you have it, guys. We're back here with the truck. Man, it actually drove way better on the highway. Nothing was rattling around, and it's finally back here at home, back in service, back again hauling our cars back and forth to our shop. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of a vlog video style, and subscribe and stay notified, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.